So much.
Angel, sige, as a pinakamasarap, anong pinakamasarap na pagkain na natikman mo dito sa Cebu?
Sige, ikaw.
Sige po?
Kasi kakatating ko lang kaninang umaga. So, wala pa akong masyadong natitikman.
Mas masarap ka!
Actually, gusto kong makatikim ng ginoo ng Cebu.
Ginoo! Ay, manawagan ka sa mga ginoo.
Kanina kumain ako ng lechon. Yes.
So how was the lechon Cebu?
Ang sarap kasi
Ah!
bakit ko, sobrang sarap.
Ito talaga yung question ng lahat. What's next for Angel? But before you answer that, I saw one of your tweets that you're studying English.
Okay, yeah.
Can you apply it now?
Yeah, sure. I'm actually, yeah. Did you understand that?
Yes, I can definitely understand you.
Nakakatawa.
Wait, can you answer the question, what's next for Angel? What in full English?
What's next for Angel, ladies and gentlemen? Well, thank you so much for that beautiful question. Good evening, Cebu! Oh my God, it's such an honor to be part of the top 5. Miss Kay, di ba? Tate. Pero what's next for Angel? Ayoko na sagutin parang sa buhay mo. Ay, what's next for Angel? Do you know what's next for Angel? Are you guys willing to know what's next for Angel? Okay, what's next for Angel?
Ano ka ba?
Hindi ko alam, pero ako kasi honestly, I am enjoying every moment of this career. And yeah, maraming salamat sa lahat ng taong nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa akin. As of this moment, wala pa po akong iniisip, hindi ko po ako nag-look forward kung pupugsama tayo. Pero kahit anong mangyari, if ever, alam mo na yan, pa-fight tayo. Hindi ko sinasarado yung pinto ko, pero masasabi ko lang sa inyo, you're gonna see more of me.
Last question.